Hello everybody, this is Aarti from Only Paithani and I am back again today to show you some pure silk Paithanis in different borders, Monia as well as traditional. We also have a couple of them in heavier borders like peacocks and parrots. Starting you off with a beautiful Monia Paithani. The Monia border, as we have always been explaining, is the parrot motif which you see on the border of the sari. There is a lovely peacock blue with peacocks in meenakari woven on the entire sari, and these are the Monia motifs. The Monia represents the parrot, so always in a Monia you will see a green line which is the body of the parrot and the beak in red color. The border is completely tissue border, so is the pallu, and the pallu here is a traditional pallu in pairs of peacocks, and this is how this beautiful vibrant peacock blue Monia Paithani looks like. The next one we have here is in a lovely shade of bottle green, and this here is the border entirely hand woven. Here you see peacocks, and they are woven in a floral pattern intertwined with some flowers in magenta and orange red color. There's also these smaller Monia motifs on the either side of the border, and you will see the buttas that are there on the border are in polka, completely woven in zari, the buttas as well as the border of the sari. This is the pallu, which is a very traditional take on in floral and some parrots and peacocks on the pallu. This is the blouse piece of this sari. This lovely border will be can be stitched onto the sleeves, and this is how the sari looks like. Extremely elegant, beautiful shade of bottle green here. Next we have here is a very beautiful pearl white. It's not a very it's like a shade of an off-white or pearl, you can say, and again with lovely tissue borders. Monia weaving again on these borders, and you can see lovely meenakari buttas in the shape of peacocks on this one. Lovely thick silk which will drape and fall very nicely on the sari. And this is the complete tissue pallu with peacocks woven again on it. A very traditional pallu, pairs of peacocks and the chakra motifs which we have seen, quite often on the Paithani. A very lovely sari. You can pair your pearls very well with this Paithani. Next one we have is again a Monia border in a different shade of turquoise, a deeper turquoise. The buttas also on this are in Monia, and this one has a very beautiful statement pallu. Large peacock, it's a pair of peacock actually, and woven along with flowers. Very beautiful pallu, and excellent example of the Paithani artwork style of weaving. As you all know, these saris this is a completely hand woven. You can see the reverse of the pallu as well. You won't be able to make out the front from the back. It is such clean work. A stunning shade. This very rich shade, almost a teal, but a brighter teal. There is a temple border along with the Monia as well, which adds a very nice lovely hint of grace. Next we have is one of my favorite combinations, a deep purple with magenta borders. This sari looks extremely elegant in daylight or night, whenever you choose to wear it. Beautiful flower booties around all along the sari. The buttas go all through the sari, and this is the pallu, very graceful traditional pallu. Again, a very nice heavy thick silk, so will fall very beautifully. These all saris come with matching blouse pieces, mostly with running blouse pieces. If they're contrast, I will let you know. We will be letting you know even on our website if the blouse pieces are contrast. But most of the times they are running. This is another shade of blue with green borders. Now look at the buttas in this one. Lovely, very cute, elegantly woven paisley buttas, and a tiny flower in red inside the buttas. Just adds a ton of beauty to the sari, and a lovely hint of color on the blue. This is the traditional pallu on a tissue base, and this is how the sari looks like. The next we have here, again a very beautiful color. A deep rich purple with parrot green borders. Meenakari peacocks again woven all through the sari on this one. Very soft, lovely silk. This is the pallu. A truly beautiful color. It's more of a purple or a bangani shade. So this was the last one for today. We do provide blouse stitching as well, so you can, whenever you opt to buy a sari, we can provide you with blouse stitching, fall edging, tassels. So the sari, when it reaches you, is ready to wear without any hassles. Do let us know what you think about the saris that we showed you today. If you wish to buy, please reach us out through DM, or you can also WhatsApp us on 9833767750. These saris will also be very soon available at our Bangalore store. So whoever is going to be in Bangalore or is in Bangalore can definitely drop by at the store in Jayanagar and have a look at these saris in person. We also offer video shopping, so that is an option for you as well. We will see you soon with some new collection, and till then, bye bye and take care.